Headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina, Renu is a solar installer, and we also install battery systems and EV chargers for residential and commercial businesses.
We mainly focus on being that turnkey solution from sales to marketing, operations, installation, and service.
We are building a power plant, right, in the city of Charlotte, right? And no one really realizes it in that they just see, oh, it's just one home here and one home here and one home here. But if you're doing 3 homes a day and 1 business a week, right, over 10 years, right, we have created a power plant in the city of Charlotte and in other cities that we do. People are gonna wake up one day and go, hey, how did that get built? And it's gonna be companies like Renu who built it.
Renu Energy Solutions was founded in 2010, family owned and operated for really the first 6 or so years. And from 2016 really till now, we've jumped from about 25 to 35 employees upwards of 150.
We've been able to grow the business over 100x in the last 4 years.
Really the number of projects that we were dealing with on a weekly and monthly basis started to ramp up so quickly. Just the bandwidth of being able to track those projects became unmanageable.
We wanted a good platform that we felt that we could grow with, and we wanted a solution that we felt confident we could integrate with other things.
Zoho was not part of the company when I started 6 years ago. We were using things such as spreadsheets, sticky notes. Everybody remembered things in their brains.
The tough question we had is, are we getting better or are we getting worse? It's very hard to say that when you got 200 projects with each project that takes 10 weeks to complete and they're in different stages.
We have about 60 steps for every single project that we work through on the operational side because it is a construction firm, and keeping track of those in people's heads or in people's spreadsheets just was not doable anymore. Before we had analytics, we were using CRM and Zoho projects.
But they still didn't really talk to each other in a way that we could report on.
We were able to look at data and review data, but it was still that manual process. We had to run filters, we had to run manual reports.
We needed something that could speak to both softwares, and that's where Zoho Analytics came in. It would merge the two together, and we could pull the data into analytics from CRM or from projects and create reports, create dashboards, create more automations, and we would have a single source of truth. One of the reasons Zoho works for us is because of how customizable it is.
In the construction world, we've got to be able to move quickly on decisions, whether that be purchasing for material, whether that be scheduling with customers. So we really needed something that was going to be able to produce by the minute or by the hour reports. We now have dashboards for every single coordinator that's on the operations team. We use those on a daily basis to know what's important, what projects are aging out, what projects are coming up.
It's been tremendous with us being able to see the whole forest, right? All projects or a single project and all the details. So
Zoho Analytics helps us answer, a question that I'm always interested in is, are we getting better on every part of the business, whether it's sales or marketing to deal or whether it's from contract into installation.
Zoho has been able to come in with us and create a lot of these nuances that we needed in our line of work, in our industry.
I absolutely would recommend Zoho Analytics and get to know the great team at Zoho. They're there for you. They really feel like an employee that we have in our building that we could reach out to at any time. Don't underutilize them. We're all the better for it.